Hi everybody, this is Jennifer with the JennScents Aromaversity, and I have been getting a lot of questions lately about which essential oils are best to help somebody combat allergies. So with allergies, when we're having an allergic response to something, we're reacting to their protein structure. So of course, from a dietary standpoint, taking some digestive enzymes will help us break down that protein structure, and then taking those in between meals can be beneficial. I also like to make sure my enzyme has some intestinal supporting herbs in there as well. From an aromatherapy standpoint, I have 3 in particular that I find very anti-allergenic, antihistamine, to help somebody work through an allergy type response, whether that's watery eyes, sneezing, skin irritations. And my first and number 1 essential oil is frankincense. And so taking your frankincense and just smelling it can be beneficial, but then also mixing it in a carrier oil such as calendula or arnica oil can be very helpful, in applying that topically to your wrist, underneath your nose if you need it, or on the skin allergy. The second one that I like to combine with the frankincense is eucalyptus. And I always smell them first because I like to connect with them, especially right before I'm blending. So mixing frankincense and eucalyptus. And then the third one, and there's scientific evidence showing the antihistamine and anti-inflammatory, anti-allergenic benefits of coriander. So what I do is I mix frankincense, eucalyptus, and coriander. You can mix them in equal parts, or you can do a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 frankincense to 1 eucalyptus to 1 coriander. If you're following the 3-2-1 blending rule, you can do 3 frankincense to 2 eucalyptus to 1 coriander. But again, you know, I like to put them for an allergy. I like to put a little bit extra frankincense, and then I'll do the eucalyptus and coriander in equal parts. I put that in a base of plant enzymes, liquid plant enzymes. I'll add in a little bit of aqua soul silver, and then I'll use that as an anti-allergy spray, or for topical use, I put it in an arnica calendula, having a little bit of aloe vera gel in there for a topical cream or a topical oil. So hopefully this will bring you some relief in doing that. I also have a blog where I talk a little bit more in depth on more essential oils, and I give you more recipes. So enjoy and happy blending.